Pynlong ke International Quality Assurance Cell ke National Workshop ke baar sengi ketah ke arpu nyotrik berarpu pratrik unaitung ar hajar arpu ar halor ke pang ke Translating Vision NEP ar hajar arpu ke belah Pynlong Shillong College Block C Auditorium Hall. Hakini ke sengi lai don lang ru menteri rang ba ke jelau konrad ke sang ma kum ukong san ubak la kemen rumboi bat kinong senran. Lai don lang ru kinong hikai bat kat tu kat nengut ki kena puli jo ke Shillong College.
Students who are present out here and all the senior citizens who we have just facilitated, who had participated in the statehood movement way back in the 70s, and all my dear friends who are here today to be part of this very important seminar. I would first of all like to congratulate and to thank the faculty and especially the principal and the organizing committee of Shillong College. To talk about in detail, it's justified transition. Means you need to transform or transit or move forward, but the process should be justified. You can't expect things to happen in a day. So therefore, we realize these challenges. And what we're doing here today, or what Shillong College is doing here today, is precisely that. We realize we need to invest in a child in the first 1,000 days of his or her life, and then in the phase where they are about to be 8 years old and before, and the adolescence level where girl child especially need a lot of counseling and support. And we realize that we don't do enough during that phase. And then suddenly when the class 10 results come, we're like, there's a problem. There's a, that we're not being able to, our students are not passing class 10. And I mean, as I said, that's the result of the problem, not the problem in itself.
Partnership. We have to share the happy moment and also difficult times so that we could move forward. And not a single government will try to deprive its citizen the necessary help or infrastructure or be in human resources to them. But constraint is there. So as the well-established college, I urge, so kindly, as you partner with the government, partner with the lesser-known college in Aramso who need